Begin by bending the mirror in towards the door. It pivots on a hinge and spring. The spring can be tight, so you may need a friend to hold it in place while removing the housing. While holding the housing folded inward, you will need to insert a flathead screwdriver between the inside of the housing and the small clip that holds it in place, red arrow. Pry the clip in towards the center of the mirror and it will release the housing from the mechanism. You can now just slip the housing off of the mechanism. The yellow arrow indicates where you need to place the flathead screwdriver, and the red arrow indicates the clip you are going to pry inward. With the housing off, you can remove the mirror. There is a small metal retaining wire, red arrow, that holds the mirror to the assembly. Unclip the wire and gently pull the mirror from the housing. This photo illustrates the metal wire, red arrow, and the two metal prongs, green arrows, that hold the mirror to the assembly. There are also two wires, yellow arrows, that run to the mirror. These wires heat the mirror and are very delicate. Use care when replacing them. There are three T20 torque screws, red arrows, that hold the assembly on the door. You do not need to bend the assembly towards the car to remove it if you have a long-handled torque driver, as the housing is designed around access to these screws. Remove the assembly from the door and separate the wiring connection, red arrow. Push the clip in and slide the gray bar down. This will push the harness from the housing. If your mirror has been damaged to the point where you need to replace the wiring harness, you will first need to remove the door panel. Please see the link at the end of this video for information on door panel removal. To replace the harness, unplug the two connections going into the wiring module in the door and pass the harness through the cutout in the door. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.